Hi, Lisa here again. Today I'm going to try another puddle pour. I did one a while back and I just wasn't happy with the results. The colors muddied, and this time I'm going to use different combination of colors. I'm going to be doing it a little different than most people do. I'm going to lay out my rings and then I'm going to scoop my colors from a bowl. I'll be adding Spot On treadmill belt lubricant to the mix to hopefully bring up some cells. I'm going to quickly cover my canvas in Artist Loft Flow White so I'll have a nice base for it to move. And I recently got a OXO omelet spatula, and this thing is awesome for spreading paint. Before I was using a comb or just a regular spatula and it took forever. This thing just glides and spreads very nicely. So I'd highly recommend getting one if you can. I got mine off of eBay. Yeah, I found the best price on eBay. I know a lot of people suggest Amazon, but I got this, I think it was for $10 with free shipping, and I wasn't able to find anything comparable price-wise on Amazon. So, just a little shopper's tip for you. I always comparison shop for everything that I buy. Try to get the best deal out there. So I've got the white on my canvas, and now I'm going to begin placing the colors in my bowl. It's like a little rice bowl that I'm using today, and I've covered it with saran wrap for easy cleanup. I'm also going to put a shot of blaster silicone in it, so that also helps release the paint so I don't waste any blaster silicone. And always spray away from your canvas so you don't get silicone on it. Okay, this bowl is ready to go. And I have a variety of colors I'm using today. Just gonna fill it. There's no rhyme or reason to how I'm filling it. So I'm gonna start with the Artist Loft Green Yellow. And let's put in some Pebeo Iridescent Violet Blue. Artist Loft Turquoise. Let's get some Liquitex Basics Cadmium Red. I think my other paints are a little bit thin. A shot of the Liquitex Basics Primary Blue. And Dollar Tree Orange. There's no brand, I just got it at Dollar Tree. I like it, it's like a Halloween orange. Artist Loft Light Blue. Squeeze some in there. Folk Art Neon Green. Let's get a little splash of Artist Loft's Old Gold. And some Artist Loft Neon Yellow. Apple Barrel Apricot. Let me get a little touch of black. Add a little bit of silicone, a couple drops. couple turned into 3. Let me add some Liquitex Basics Light Blue Violet. A little shot of Artist Loft Metallic Purple. And let me see. It's more of the Pebeo Iridescent Violet Blue. I have trouble saying iridescent. I don't know why. And Liquitex Basics Light Bright Aqua Green. And how about a little bit of white in there down the center. And I think that looks good. So let me start with my rings. I'm going to use Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple. Some Liquitex Primary Blue. Liquitex Phthalo Green. Put that one over here. Liquitex Old Gold. No, Artist Loft's Old Gold. Let's use the Apple Barrel Apricot. Bright Aqua Green, Liquitex. Folk Art Neon Green. Do another little tiny green. Dollar Tree Orange. Putting some of the Pebeo Iridescent Violet Blue. It said iridescent that time. Artist Loft Green Yellow here. Drop something in there, but I guess that'll be covered up when I scoop my paint. Putting some more of the previous colors I've used in here. Okay. Now I'm just going to scoop some of my paints from the bowl. Add them in, maybe give them a little swirl. I'm trying to go for a paisley effect. Hoping I get it this time. Some cool colors going there. Got some cells coming up. Oh, and the pouring medium that I use for all my paints is just a mixture of 2/3 Floetrol and then 1/3 of the Elmer's Glue-All. I mix that together and then I mix it in my paints to the desired consistency that I need. Some cool selection here. Sorry if I'm quiet, I'm just thinking about what I'm doing here. Okay, I don't think I'm going to use any more out of the bowl because I see it's starting to muddy, and that's what happened to me last time. So I do have some cool looking cells coming up. I'm going to hit it with a propane torch that I borrowed from my roommate. Bringing up some cells. Be careful when you hit your paint so you don't scorch it. Especially with a propane torch. I think they heat up hotter than the butane torches. I'm going to put on some gloves and do some tilting here. Really some cool effects here. I'm hoping to retain this. Just going to go this way with it. I'm trying to use my hand as an edge catcher so I don't lose all of that. Bring that back. I have a really cool little band of cells right there. I really don't want to lose, but I need to tip it. Hopefully I can retain those. Let's see. There's a lot of paint on this canvas. By the way, this is a 10 by 10 canvas purchased from Michael's. They always have really good sales on canvases. I may have to tip quite a bit of that off because I have a lot of paint on the canvas. Got a lot of cell action going here. I'm going to take off my gloves and use some tools here to try to tweak this out. This big band of orange here that's kind of too much orange for me. See what I can do here. Add a little bit of interest in here. Not much black showed up, but that's okay. I have a lot of wild colors here though. All these colors will dry darker too. Make sure you get on the edges of your canvas. Pretty much covered itself. I just had a couple more I had to fill in. If you're not happy with your pour, you can always go in and, you know, do some things or even add some more paint, which I'm not going to do because I already have this canvas is loaded. It's actually overloaded with paint. So I'm just going to work with what I have here. But you could go in and put in some ribbon pours or do another little flip cup or something, or not a flip cup, but you could do another little pour into it. Got some really pretty colors here. Not everybody does this with their paintings, but I just find that this adds interest to it. Put some little swirls here and there. Gives me a little bit of control of how it's going to look. Okay. If you guys have any ideas of something you'd like to see me do, you can go ahead and message me and I'll try to accommodate you. I always like to try new things. I'm gonna go in for the close-up on this because I think I'm done with this. You can see there's some cell action here. Got a lot of really beautiful bright colors. So I'm going to call that finished. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.